Hey there, Nathan here from the Phantom Burster team. Today I'm going to show you how to turn LinkedIn ad engagement into actual leads. Let's say your ads are already getting likes, comments, maybe even shares. That's great. It means people are paying attention. But here is the thing. People engaging with your ads and your competitors are warm prospects. That's your opportunity. But the big question is, how do you turn engagement on ads into real conversations that actually drive replies? How do you go from someone just liking your ad to a qualified lead you can talk to? This playbook walks you through the entire process step by step. You will learn how to extract engagers from LinkedIn ads, enrich their profile with valuable data, and automate outreach to start real conversations. This isn't just a growth hack. This is a scalable way to boost your ROI on paid campaigns. Because when you go beyond visibility, you turn engagement into pipeline. Ready to start converting ad activity into leads? Let's jump in. The first step of this use case is to take LinkedIn ads as an input. So it can be either an ad that you are running or the ad of a competitor. And then you will like to extract the engagers on these ads to turn them into leads. So I will go on LinkedIn and I will take this ad of Walaxy. We can see here that there are more than 100 people who liked it and 18 comments. So it's maybe a good start. I will click on the three dots and then copy link to post. Then I will go back on Phantom Buster and I will use the LinkedIn post likers export. So thanks to this automation, I will extract the likers of the post. So I will just need to start the setup of the Phantom and paste the link of the LinkedIn post. Then save, and then save again, and I will just launch it once. Okay, now I would like to do the same, but extracting the commenters of this post. So I will go back on the solutions, LinkedIn, and I will type commenters, and I will use the LinkedIn post commenters export. Same setup here, just pasting the link of the post, and then I will launch the Phantom once as well. So my two phantoms finished running and I extracted the engagers on this LinkedIn ad. I can see here, if I go on my LinkedIn ads likers, I extracted 116 likers. And then if I go back to dashboard and on the other one, extracting the commenters, I got 15 commenters. So now I will go to my LinkedIn leads database and I will create my list. I will filter on the phantom that has been processed and I will select LinkedIn ads likers and then add a condition and add the other one. LinkedIn ads commenters. And I will say filter the list, LinkedIn ads engagers. Then my list is ready. It's created. I have 134 people. The third step now will be to clean and enrich my leads because I would like to collect more data points so then I can maybe personalize my message. And it's always a good idea to have more information on your leads. So I will go back on solutions, click on LinkedIn, and I will use the phantom called LinkedIn profile scraper, where I will be able to scrape all the available information on the LinkedIn profiles of these leads. Click on use now. And then as an input, I will select a list and I will select LinkedIn as engagers. Then connect my LinkedIn accounts. On the email discovery, I would like to discover the emails. So I will click on Phantom Booster, click save. And then I'm being asked how many profiles I want to update per launch. Okay, I can say 200. Anyway, we are under 200. And I will select the enrich your profiles with company data so I can have even more information concerning their companies. And then I will click save. I just launching it once and I'm launching the Phantom now. All right, so I was running my LinkedIn profile scraper Phantom. So now if I go on leads, view my leads, I will be directed to the LinkedIn leads database where I can see my leads and all the data points that I collected. If I go a bit on the right, you can see the professional email. So when it found it, it's displayed here. So now I will have the choice of either starting a LinkedIn outreach sequence on Phantom Booster And I could also launch an email sequence. For this, I will need to use another tool than Phantom Booster. For now, I will go on my solutions and I will launch a LinkedIn outreach sequence. So I will go on solutions, LinkedIn, then search for outreach. And I will use this one, connect and send follow-up messages. Then here I will select my Phantom and I will select LinkedIn Ads Profile Scraper. I will connect my LinkedIn accounts. I will send a LinkedIn connection request. Here I have the choice of sending not aside the connection request, but I will leave it blank and click save. And then I will schedule a first follow-up message, sending it 1 day after the connection is accepted. I write something like, hi first name, I saw your interaction on a LinkedIn ad talking about sales. I was wondering if you had ever heard of Phantom Booster. Then I will schedule maybe a second follow-up message, sending it 7 days after the first one, just for a follow-up. And then I think I'm ready to go. I will save, send 20 invitations a day, click save again, and now I will start my flow. Okay, so my flow is on. I can track on the leads tab all the status of the leads. So I can know if I invited them in my network, if they accepted me, if I sent them a follow-up, if they replied. And then if I go to the report tab, I will track my KPIs. So the invitations I was sending, the number of requests that were accepted. All right, that wraps up this playbook. Let's do a quick recap. You have just seen how to take ad engagement, likes, comments, interactions, and turn it into actual leads using automation. It's all about identifying the right engagers, enriching their data, and reaching out with the right message. For me, this is hands down one of the best ways to maximize your ROI on LinkedIn ads, making sure every euro you spend actually moves the needle. So go ahead and give it a try, test it out, and see the results for yourself. Catch you next time.